Did you know that seals can sleep underwater? When they're in the water, seals slow their heart rate and conserve oxygen, allowing them to stay submerged for long periods of time. They can even sleep with only half of their brain at a time, staying alert to potential predators. Seals typically sleep for short periods throughout the day and night, and can even sleep while swimming. This amazing adaptation allows seals to thrive in their marine environment.